place out on like losing me, and you can get some bass if you want to. We'll go out today and straight up kick their ass.
Yo, when I go fishing, it's no kidding. The minute I'm flipping my rig and I'm getting them hits in an instant. This isn't no Hank Parker, Larry Nixon, Roland Martin, Bill Dance kinda Carolina rigging and pork rind jigging. Man, I got a biggin'. Hell no, this is much different. Now let me ask you a question. Do you like eels drifting, pen reels spinning, keeper lipping and Korea limits broken, teaser skipping, bonita hitting and drag seals smoking, peeling, sizzling and leader crimping for mean and vicious fish with teeth like scissors, leaping, flipping, greenish tinted mahi. This is real fishing. I like to catch them fish. You bet I know my spots. I got my vessel full, about 1,000 rods. I wanna launch my boat, don't wanna come back home. If you agree with me, then let me hear you go. F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Everybody say F-I-S-H-I-N-G. All my fishermen. F-I-S-H-I-N-G. One more time, say F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Have you ever fished straight for 11 hours long? Nope. 6 at night till 5 in the morning. I'm not talking sitting with a chunk, I'm talking flipping eels about 20 inches long, or whipping out a plug. If sitting on your butt sipping down a bud midday in the sun is what you call fishing, then you lost your privilege to be called a fisherman. You're just another Dramamine, drama queen, bone nine, pill popping, wobbling, still vomiting, land loving man with his head crammed up in a garbage can, a bucket. When you could be chumming, you could be ladling and making them in hidden slicker anchoring or something. Even if a hurricane is coming, I'll be F-I-S-H-I-N-G. I wanna catch sailfish, maybe a wahoo too, and Islamorada, down where the water's blue. Battle the Mako shark, go navigate Montauk, get up and spread a troll. My friend, you better go. F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Everybody say F-I-S-H-I.
Waiting on summer, it's coming down. Sitting on the dock and catch some bass. My friend Simon catch the littlest one. It throws him back just to laugh and fun. Using green worms almost every day. It's raining but we're okay, we got our rain gear today. We went to the duck mart and got that shit, and we'll wear it all day in this song again.
Super bass man, 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 super bass.
Woke up this morning and I got out of bed. I went fishing with an ache in my head. I made some coffee and I'm feeling alright. Those little fishies sure put up a fight. I bait my hook and I prep my line. I cast it out and I give it some time. He caught a big one, but he put it in the water. He'll never commit the act of fish slaughter.
Super bass man, 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 super bass man.
comes from another place. He fishes beside you and catches more fish than you. Super bass man doesn't do it on purpose. He's just what he is. He's super
Drop shot. Nailed it.
Catch your monsters and no one's around to save. He don't care as long as he gets to live it.
How we do it?
Super bass man, super bass man, super bass man.
You put that thing just as soon as it hit the bottom. Yeah.
Super bass man, 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 super
Jerk! Hard to swim and fish at the same time.
That's right. Keep reeling it. Rod up real hard. Get it in here. Don't mess around with it. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Keep it up. Jerk it up here. Don't let it go down. Oh, yeah. That's a nice bass. On the brush on. Yeah, that's fishing with Joe Marshall. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Keep working. Yeah. That's how we do it. With Joe Marshall. Nice brown nose. Look at that.